Hello, my name's Sarah from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A7 Sportback Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro. It comes dressed in the stunning and sleek brilliant black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car has done 10,111 miles. Standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with Audi Sportcast aluminium, making bold turns whenever on the road. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze by just a click of a button. Showing you the boot area. As you can see, there is plenty of space for your everyday to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest, with electric seating adjustments and a 4-way lumbar for added support and comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map. So no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family on the go, and a wide variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer drives. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. Driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Back on the main menu and intermediate to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio station to sing along to. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 4-zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. For added luxury, you have the heated seats with a temperature of low, medium and high for those chillier mornings, with a hidden compartment with 2 handy cup holders and a 12-volt charging point. Moving on to the automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to this car's profile. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205.